So now in this video we will learn about split column by delimiter. So like suppose we have a data here which is a shipping address which contain first name and then your uh, address and city and pin code. So now if we want to convert this data into separate columns, or like you can say in separate rows and separate rows, so what we can do for that? So for that what we will do, we will click here and then we will go to data. So we can even do these things with Excel formulas. The best part about Power Query is it is automate just by putting your clicks. So here I will click on from table. So we have selected the table, my table as a header. I will just remove this and just make it a little bit bigger so that it will be more clear. Then I will click on from table and then OK, and our Power Query editor is open here. Now we have a data and now we want to split it, like first name, like so your name should be in different column, and their like your address and your city and your pin code will be in different columns and rows. So what we can do, we can just click over this and select the data. Then I will go to transform, and here in our like in transform tab in text column we will see split column, and here we will find by delimiter. So we'll just click over by delimiter. Then it will ask about how would you like to delimit. So it's already selected comma because we have a comma already given. So it is smart enough to find out comma is the delimiter here. Now what we will do, we will just press OK. So now we have data in separate columns and rows. Now if you want to change the name of this, like it's our name, then I will go there and put here place. Then I will go there and put their city, and then I will go there and write down pin code. So this is the way we are using delimiter. Beside that, what we can do, we can do our trim function here in format and trim the data. So whatever unwanted spaces will be there, that will be removed. We can do it by selecting all these three, or either I can remove this and select all, just pressing click button from my keyboard and clicking through mouse on each and every columns and rows, and then I will go here and then press trim. After that what I will do, I will say capital each word or either uppercase, whichever you like. I am taking uppercase here, so every data will be in uppercase here. So there is no value, maybe we haven't put their comma here, that's why it is not making the change here. So we will do it when we will go to the sheet. Then I will go there and press here, and then I will press close and load. So now we have our data here, and I will go to the next one, Missima, and see what's the problem here. The data is your Missima Chaudhary, okay, and before the city I haven't put the comma here, so I will go there and put a comma here. Then I will go to my Power Query data, then I will go and right click from my mouse and press refresh. So now we have data in a proper format. So if we want to add another data, that is also possible. So I will go there and type Mr. Rajiv Kumar, then I will put comma here, then I'll put a city here, then I will put some pin code. Again I will go to my or Power Query data formatted by pharmacopotato and press refresh, so that will be added, and all the stuff, all the steps what we have done in the our table in our Power Query editor, that will also be saved, and according to that our data will be shown in this sheet.